Taichang in East China's Jiangsu province, which boasts the presence of almost 500 German companies and German investments of more than $6 billion, has earned the nickname Little Germany. Beginning in the 1990s, the county-level city spent 14 years drawing its initial 100 German investors, but it only took about 3 years to increase the number to 400 from 2018's 300. Located less than 50 kilometers from Shanghai, many German companies have eyed the logistics potential of Taicang. Besides, the Taicang port also offers easier and cheaper logistics for companies to import and export raw materials and products.
Initially started in Shanghai and then decided to relocate in 2012 to Taicang. At that time was already a lot of German companies in Taicang, and it was more and more obvious that Taicang is providing a good business environment. You're welcome to settle down, and it's not like you constantly ask and hit a wall and don't know how to continue. It's actually the opposite. It's around 500 German enterprises already settled down in Taicang, and we are mainly a German community.
Over the past 3 decades, more than 90% of German companies in Taicang have either increased their investments or expanded their production, and they contributed 8% to the city's annual GDP, as reported by the local government. The figures highlight the success of German companies in Taicang and also underscore the city's commitment to facilitating their growth. The city cut down 70% of the administrative approval procedures and simplified 72% of the checklists for applications. Over the past 30 years, Taicang has consistently strengthened its partnership with Germany, expanding from economic collaboration to encompass broader areas like culture, education, and sports. The city has hosted events such as beer festivals, marathons, and Sino-German artist salons for over a decade, and Germany's renowned dual-track education system has found a seamless feat in Taicang, making it an increasingly desirable place of residence for Germans.